Good day everyone, we are the ALPHACODE RJEA Group 2 from ITCU 123 and today we will present our Arduino Uno project number 7, the temperature alarm. Our members are Rainmark Amodia, Alsha Abdul Ghaffar, Emmanuel Beloso, and Janrik Value. For this project, we used the following component: an Arduino Uno board, a buzzer, a jumper cable wires, and the temperature sensor. First, let's talk about the main controller, the Arduino board. An Arduino board is a microcontroller platform used for building interactive electronic projects. It is allow us to connect sensor and outputs and program them to respond to different conditions in this project. The Arduino processes the temperature reading and decides when to trigger the alarm. The second important component is the temperature sensor. In this case, we use the TMP36. This is an analog sensor that outputs a voltage proportional to the temperature. It can measure a wide range of temperature from -40 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. The Arduino reads this voltage and converts it into a temperature value in Celsius. Next, we have the buzzer. A buzzer is an audio signaling device that produces a beeping sound. In this project, the buzzer is used as the alarm output. When the temperature goes about a certain threshold, the Arduino activates the buzzer to warn us. To connect all components, we use jumper wires. Jumper wires are electrical wires with connectors at both ends. They allow us to make quick connections on the breadboard without soldering. These wires connect the Arduino, the sensor, and the buzzer together. Here is our circuit diagram. It shows how the Arduino is connected to the temperature sensor and the buzzer using jumper wires. The sensor sends temperature data to the Arduino, and the Arduino drives the buzzer depending on the readings. Our Arduino code works in the following way. First, the Arduino reads the analog voltage from the temperature sensor. Second, it converts this voltage into a temperature in Celsius. Third, the temperature is above the set threshold, the buzzer turns and produces an alarm sound. Fourth, otherwise the buzzer stays off. This simple logic makes the simple system work as an automatic temperature alarm. Const int temp pen equals A0 and const int buzzer pen equals 8. It defines which Arduino pins are used. TMP36 sensor is A0, buzzer D8, float voltage, temperature Z, variable to store the converted voltage and temperature Celsius. Serial that begin 9600, it start the serial monitor so you can see the temperature readings. Pin mode, buzzer pen, output, set the buzzer as an output. And analog read, temp pen, read the TMP36 output 0 to 1023. Voltage equals sensor val asterisk 5.0 over 1023.0. It converts raw value in voltage to 0V5. At 0.5 V, temperature equals 0 degrees Celsius. Each 10 MV equals 1 degrees Celsius, so voltage negative 0.5 asterisk 100 gives Celsius. Serial that print temperature prints the temperature, so the serial monitor useful for checking values while testing. If temperature 30 degrees Celsius, turn the buzzer on, otherwise turn the buzzer off, delay 1000. Wait 1 seconds before checking again to avoid rapid buzzing. In summary, our temperature alarm project combines three main parts: the Arduino Uno as the controller, the TMP36 sensor to measure the temperature, and the buzzer to give an alarm when the temperature rises to high. This project shows how sensor and actuators can work together through Arduino programming to create a practical safety device. This project shows how simple hardware plus a few lines of Arduino code can create a functional temperature alarm system. And thank you, and that's all.
Hindi